When People Rebel 1857 and After Part 3. Good morning, students. We were studying 1857 revolution, this chapter When People Rebel, and this is the fifth chapter of your history book. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the main centers of 1857 revolution and their leaders. First of all, on this map of India, we will try to find out the places, we will try to identify the places where the incidents and uprisings took place during the 1857 revolution. So let's start with this video, this topic. First, in northern India, because at that time northern India, Pakistan and India were the same countries, single country, no partition was there. So Peshawar and Lahore, both the places were in India. Amritsar, some incidents took place in Amritsar also. Jalandhar and Ludhiana were another parts, and Saharanpur, some incidents during July 1857 occurred in Saharanpur. These were the main centers, Delhi and Meerut. From Meerut, it was started on 10th May, and the soldiers went to Delhi in the morning of 11th May 1857. They reached Delhi. So Delhi and Meerut both are very important centers. You have to identify on the map of India. After watching this video, dear students, take a blank map and you will fill the same places given in this map. Moradabad, UP, Bareilly, UP, Shahjahanpur, UP. All these places were important centers. Aligarh, Mathura, Agra, Etawah, Gwalior. Gwalior was very important, near Jhansi. Here Jhansi was the main center. Nasirabad in Rajasthan. Kanpur, Bithur, Farrukhabad and Lucknow, Fatehpur. These were another important centers of 1857 revolution. After that, Azamgarh, Jaunpur and Varanasi, these three centers. Arrah, Allahabad, Jhansi, as we discussed about Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, because Jhansi was annexed by the British under the doctrine of lapse. Doctrine of lapse was started by Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie, and according to this doctrine, those Indian states were annexed by the British whose kings or emperors died without male heir. Clear? So Jhansi was one of them. After that, Neemuch, Indore, Ahmedabad, Erinpura, Jabalpur in MP, and in Bengal, Murshidabad. After that, Behrampur and Kolkata. These were very important centers of 1857 revolution. About Nagpur also we have discussed. Nagpur, this was another center. So these were the main centers of 1857 revolution. Dear students, you have to fill in the map with the help of this map. These were the major centers of 1857 revolution. Now we'll discuss about the main leaders and with these centers and associated leaders. So dear students, let's start this topic of this video. Important leaders associated with the revolt of 1857. Place and leader. First, Barakpur, where on 29th of March, Mangal Pandey revolted and opposed the British policy, using and refused to use the cartridges with the grease of beef and pork. Mangal Pandey in Barakpur, Kent in Bengal. Delhi, Bahadur Shah II. Bahadur Shah Jafar was the leader and he was declared as Shahenshah-e-Hindustan and by the revolutionaries. Delhi, it means he was the leader of 1857 revolution, and all of the leaders of 1857 revolution considered him as their leader, and under his rule They considered themselves Subedars and the governors of Mughal Empire. General Bakht Khan was his general. In Delhi itself, Hakim Asanullah, he was the chief advisor to Bahadur Shah Jafar II. Next is Lucknow. Begum Hazrat Mahal, Lucknow, and British Qadir Ahmadullah. He was the advisor of ex-Nawab of Awadh. Next is Kanpur. Nana Sahib was very important leader in Kanpur, and he was the adopted son of late Peshwa Bajirao. And Rao Sahib was the nephew of Nana. Tatya Tope or Tatya Tope, we can say Tatya Tope or Tantya Tope, played very important role. Tatya Tope means he was born in 1814 and died in 1859. He was an Indian freedom fighter. He was a general in the Indian Rebellion of 1857. His full name is Ramchandra Pandurang. Ramchandra Pandurang, you have to remember, dear students. His real name was Ramchandra Pandurang Tope. Tope was a close associate of Nana Sahib. Tope and Sahib led the Indian forces in siege of Kanpur. So in Kanpur, these two leaders were very great leaders during this revolution. Azimullah Khan was the advisor of Nana Sahib. So these were very important leaders in Kanpur. After that, Jhansi. In Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai, the Rani of Jhansi, also known as, was an Indian queen of the Maratha princely state of Jhansi in North India, currently present in Jhansi district in UP. Now it is located in UP. Earlier it was in central provinces. She was one of the leading figures of Indian rebellion of 1857 and became a symbol of resistance to the British Raj for Indian nationalist. So in this way, Rani Lakshmibai played very crucial role in the 1857 revolution. We will study in detail about Rani Lakshmibai in the next video, right? After that, Bihar, Jagdishpur, Kumar Singh and Amar Singh were two very important leaders. Then Allahabad and Benares, Maulvi Liaquat Ali was another important leader. In Faizabad, the 1857 revolution was led by Maulvi Ahmadullah. He declared the revolt as jihad against English because he was the big opponent of English people, British people, and he thought that the British were making the big problems in their religious matters. So he declared it as jihad against English. Farrukhabad, Tafjal Hasan Khan was the leader. Biznor, Muhammad Khan, and after that in Moradabad, Abdul Ali Khan, you have to remember. Khan Bahadur Khan was a very prominent leader in Bareilly. He led against the British. Mandsaur Firoz Shah, one more important leader. Gwalior, Tatya Tope, also in Kanpur. Kanpur and Gwalior. Tatya Tope played important role in Kanpur as well as in Gwalior. Assam, Kanda Pareshwar Singh and Manirama Datta. In Odisha, Surendra Shahi, Ujjwal Shahi. In Kullu, Raja Pratap Singh. And Rajasthan, Jaydayal Singh and Hardayal Singh, both leaders were very important leaders. Gorakhpur, Gajendra Singh. Mathura, Sevi Singh Kadam, and at last Rewadi, Rao Tularam. Right, many more leaders were there, but in this video it's not possible to discuss about all the leaders and centers. So just we have taken main centers and main leaders of the 1857 revolution. So I hope that you understood this topic, and you will fill the map with the help of this map discussed in this video, and you will learn all these centers with the leaders. Thank you. Have a nice day.